Welcome back. We continue to work with dynamic blocks, and in this lesson, we're going to learn how to use the stretch action. Let's open the block editor. We'll create a block. Let's name it 001. Click OK. Now let's go to the Home tab. Activate the Rectangle tool. I'll create a couple rectangles. Here's my second one. Something like this. Let's add a point parameter. And a linear parameter, endpoint to endpoint. Place the label. Let's go to the Actions tab now. We'll apply a stretch action. Let's specify the corner or corners of the stretch. I'll do that with a window selection. Now we select the object to stretch. Right-click to finish the selection. And let's bring in another stretch action. Select the parameter. Windows select the corners to stretch. Right-click to finish the selection. And let's test our block. Let's grab this point and stretch it. Let's enter the polar coordinates 8, tab 30 degrees. Press Enter to register and accept. And here, let's enter 20. Press Enter. And the block behaves as we expected. Let's exit the testing environment, close the block editor, save our changes. Now we can insert our block in model space. And of course, if we want to edit the block, just click Edit Block. We select the block we want to edit. The yellow lightning bolt on the preview indicates that we're dealing with a dynamic block. Let's cancel out of this dialog window. And this concludes our tutorial about applying a stretch action to a dynamic block.